Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download GMSCore on your Android. So first thing, you need to open a browser. I'm gonna use a Google Chrome here. Then you search for this website, gmscore.app. After that, you should have this website. You click on download here. Then if you have Huawei or Xiaomi device, you can click on this option. For all other device, click on this. I'm gonna choose other devices. After that, you click download anyway. Then you click on open here. Then install. After that, you should have GMSCore downloaded on your mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.